Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Want to change your cart's design to match your site's look? Here's how you can do it. Super fast and easy. First, click on your cart icon and click on Settings. Here on the Cart Icon tab, select an icon you'd like to use. And below, depending on the icon you've selected, you'll be able to see more options, such as to change the icon color, etc. So go ahead and customize your icon however you want to. And once you're done, you can close this window now, and sometimes you might need to resize your card icon and properly position it. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Save to save your changes, or if your site's previously been published, you can click on Publish over here once again in order to publish the changes you've made to your live site as well. And that's it. We hope this video was of help. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.